In Wonderwood Forest, the vibrant colours were overshadowed by a dreary grey that hung in the air. Sunny, Buzzy, and Lulu gathered beneath the colourless sky, their eyes searching for the missing rainbow. With hearts filled with courage, they ventured into the colourless forest, setting out to find the lost rainbow. The friends faced nature's challenges head-on, navigating through thorny thickets and turbulent waters. Discouragement loomed as a dark cloud hovered above, testing their perseverance on the quest for the rainbow. A glimmer of light beckoned from afar, guiding their weary souls toward a beacon of possibility. Excitement surged as they unearthed a cryptic clue, fueling their resolve to unravel the mystery of the missing rainbow. Before them stood a majestic gate, guarded by ethereal beings, challenging their unity and resolve one last time. Through unwavering teamwork, they unraveled the enchantment, revealing the secret to bringing back the rainbow's vibrant hues. With a burst of light and colour, the forest transformed, rejoicing in the return of the rainbow's dazzling palette. In a heartfelt embrace, they celebrated their friendship, knowing that together they could overcome any challenge. Under the warm embrace of the sun, Wonderwood Forest sparkled once more, a testament to the enduring bonds of friendship and unity.